I'm joined here today by Ron Surets of Amdocs to discuss the customer experience. We're going to discuss his insights on what Amdocs believes CSPs need to do to succeed in an ever-changing customer experience landscape. Ron, in my previous interview with Amdocs, we discussed your research where consumers said agents are still a key part of providing an excellent customer experience, in addition to digital channels. Given this, it's clear that CSPs need a telco CRM solution that can help agents excel in the face of new demands. What are some of the new ways CSPs enable agents to provide an excellent customer experience?
Based on Amdocs' experience in the telecommunication market, we see that service providers must pay attention not only to their customer experience, but also to their employee experience, since one serves the other. An excellent agent experience that matches today's digital standards will drive a better customer experience. Let me share some of the key principles we follow at Amdocs while building the products and the systems to support those needs. Real-time personalization and data-driven insights. Automation and ease of use. Contextual experience for every user profile and role. Full visibility across different engagement channels and sources of information related to the customer.
I mentioned how some industries are using AI to improve CX. What is the role of AI in telco CRM, and how does it support agents?
We utilize AI and ML both to optimize the agent experience as well as to provide the very best experience to the customer. One aspect is automation. Automate as much of the work as possible, allow easy and quick access to the relevant information, and streamline the care and commerce processes to maximum using RPA, bots, messaging, and other solutions. The second aspect is personalizing and contextualizing the customer experience in real time, taking into account the specific customer context, intent, and the overall history of interactions. We can recommend the right action at the right time to best resolve customer inquiries.
CSPs seek agility and flexibility to keep up with the industry's changing demand. What characteristics should CSPs look for in their platforms?
To be agile and flexible, I would recommend that any service providers will make sure that any platform he is intending to use is cloud native, so it can be highly available and support any scale to address the demand and be able to adopt and adjust quickly. COVID-19, hybrid mode of work, the unexpected workloads are good examples. Low-code based. Low-code empowers the business and enables to build and launch applications, journeys, and experiences for customers and employees with much shorter time to market. This is a real game changer when it comes to business agility. AI and ML. Embedded, industry-specific AI and ML capabilities are a must. This will guarantee that the system constantly and continuously are optimizing the performance of the employees and satisfaction of customers. Let the system do the work for you. Truly multi-channel, a single solution that serves multiple channels and multiple touchpoints is the most efficient way to ensure consistent customer experience across channels and efficient reuse of customers' journeys. Build once, deploy many. Open and standardized platform. Make sure the platform is fully and truly open and working according to industry standards so the platform can evolve with the ever-changing market dynamics.
Thanks, Ron. Thanks, Madar. And thanks to everybody joining us today.